Ô, chị ơi, tay gì? Cua bơi đi. Jaguar सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है राइट साइड में.
Greetings explorers and welcome to Amazon River Quest. The Amazon River Basin is an amazing place full of life. As we take this boat ride to the rice field for well camouflaged wildlife among the rich vegetation. Try spotting our monkeys among the tree canopies. Later on. We're now entering the land of the giants. Do you see something large and furry to your left and right? bushy hair and long snout. It's almost impossible to miss the giant anteater. The giant anteater's long and narrow tongue to slip up ants and termites from ant mounds. It uses its 10 centimeter long claws to pry these ant mounds open and to defend itself from predators. Having the animals stay submerged for hours. The Amazon is home to many smaller creatures. These small monkeys communicate with one another with chirps.
The jaguar on the right side में
Side है.
ये इधर दो
Jaguars are the largest insects found in America and are known for their beautiful golden orange coats with black rosettes. The fur also blend to the rainforest environment. With quick leaps and powerful bites, jaguars hunt a wide variety of animals in the Amazon.
You see?
और उसकी मम्मी पापा है
Amazon rainforest nourished by the Amazon River. Many of them are seed dispersers, exploring on the continuous renewal of the rainforest. Let's turn our gaze to the left. These are flamingos. Flamingos curve beak act as a seed, building up microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingos its red plumage. Turn to your right to see our capybara. These giant cousins of the rats and hamsters can weigh between 35 and 66 kilograms and are the world's largest rodents. The capybara's partially webbed toes and strong limbs allow them to walk and paddle along the water's edge.
सबसे पीछे बैठ के अच्छा है, वी कैन टेक पिक Amazon River Safari. We are going on boat ride in Amazon River Safari. So nice. Ooh, those wild things.
Greetings, explorers. Welcome to the Amazon River Quest. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride. High up in the trees on your right is the white-faced Sunky Monkey. Because of their ability to do large distances, they are known as the Flying Monkeys. Do you see something large and growing? That's the giant anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to dig into termite mounds. Coming up next is our family of brown Smoky Monkeys. They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees better.
Mara.
Do you see two large brown animals? These are Brazilian tapirs. Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilometers.
Funny water.
Still has enemies. When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river.
Jaguars. ये देखना है. आगे watch out jaguars.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Shadow, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Shadow likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its prey's skull with its teeth.
events of उसके parents. Amazing. Yeah, amazing.
Hungry explorers. These are the abilities and fears uncommon in color. Males turn black when they come of age. Just like the red howler monkeys, they howl loudly when they sense approaching rain. If you turn to your left, you'll spot the flamingos. The flamingos curve the beak to the sea, building microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. Just opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent.
Yeah, Pia Baba. Outdoors.
Well, explorers, I hope you have been enjoying your voyage. If you wish to see more Amazonian animals, head on left towards the Amazon forest. Have an amazing day at River Safari. Farewell, explorers.
Take water.